Hi guys, let's do unboxing haul, my part 2 of my Shein purchases. Oh my God. First one, it's a black dress, size XL. I got it like $27. Look at this. Oh, look, there's a potential that I'll fit on big one. Okay, next item guys is also a dress, summer dress, pink. I forgot how much it cost. It's nice. Look like big, but I'm big. So next is the sandals, shoes. I got I think for $20, $20, and color is look nice. Sorry, is this like this guys for 10 party at $20, not bad. Okay, next item, it's mixed. Okay. Filled hole. Next item guys, I don't know what's this. Oh, the one I ordered, bralette, like the back, there's no strap on the back, it's only in the side. Okay, next item guys, because this one consists of 10 items. I already unboxed the 4 items before, and this one, the blouse, I got it for $6. Oh, not bad. I'm gonna plan to wear this with white pants. Okay, next item guys, I got a swimsuit. I think it cost me $13. Oh, the quality is nice. Look at this. Not bad for a $13 swimsuit. I hope everything's fit on me. I'm so excited for incoming trip. That's why I got this one for my incoming trip guys. Next item is a bathing suit. I think I got it for $17. Oh, and then the good thing with this one guys, there's like a sarong covered, like it's a dress. Okay, and then the rest, oh, there's another one, bathing suit. I forgot how much I got for this, but it's just not that expensive. I think it's $9 for the two. And then I also got this one, earrings guys. Look at these. Really nice. It only cost $3. It's fashion. Oh, oh my God. I'm gonna try this on. I got 3. This one and this one. Thanks for watching guys.